Hello and welcome to today's news bulletin for New Food Spectrum. Today's headlines are: genetically modified browning resistant apples reach US stores for the first time. Illegal cultivation of GM soybean found in Gujarat. Coca-Cola India announces its entry into the Beverage Plus category in India. Moving ahead now. Bags of sliced apples will hit grocery store shelves in the Midwestern United States for the first time because of a feat of genetic engineering that prevents apples' flesh from browning when exposed to air. Shoppers who purchase the apples can leave the slices out for snacking. The Arctic apple joins a small number of genetically modified organisms that are to be sold as a whole product and not as an ingredient. It is also one of the first foods to be given a trait intended to please consumers rather than farmers. Many small biotech companies are eagerly watching the Arctic apple's launch for clues to how consumers will perceive the fruits of their labor, as this will pave way for other food edited using CRISPR gene technology. Illegal cultivation of a genetically modified food crop, GM soybean, which is herbicide resistant, has been reported for the first time from the Aravali district in Gujarat. A national farmers organization, BKS, has claimed that Gujarat farmers have been cultivating herbicide tolerant crop illegally as there is no clearance from the government for any GM food crop yet. Ironically, India's first GM crop cultivation, BT cotton, was discovered in 2001 growing illegally on thousands of hectares of land in Gujarat. DAC had ordered the destruction of all illegally produced GM material after confirming the presence of transgenic material and had asked for the purchase of such material from farmers if needed by the state government for destruction by burning. However, in March 2002, it ended up approving BT cotton for commercial cultivation in India, and to this day, no liability was fixed for the illegal spread, which presented a fait accompli to the regulators. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India, and Coca-Cola India signed a memorandum of understanding towards investing in the agri-ecosystem of the country. Under this agreement, the Coca-Cola Company, its bottling partners, and its fruit suppliers and processors in India will contribute around $1.7 billion in the agri-ecosystem of the country over the next 5 years through a unique concept called the fruit circular economy. Coca-Cola India announced the launch of India initiative under which the company will create a wide range of region-specific juice variants and products inspired by the diversity of fruits grown in India. Furthermore, as part of Coca-Cola's global strategy of providing choices for different occasions, the company announced its entry into the Beverage Plus category in India. The company has introduced a frozen fruit dessert in India, which earmarks its foray in the Beverage Plus segment in India. That's all for today. Thank you.